This gap right here is going to be the amount of material I remove when making the hydrofoil shape. Now we cut it out. Now we'll clean it up on the bandsaw. So I got down as close as I could to the line without going over, and now I will clean it up on the belt sander. I made the mistake of marking the wrong side. You're only supposed to have one inside, and then the opposing opposite outside is supposed to have the hydrofoil shape to it. And then these just get basically a small chamfer along one edge. And I'll knock it down using just some files and rasps, and then I'll bring it back and clean it up on the belt sander. Now we'll just apply a thin coat of lacquer, and in about 15 minutes, once it dries, we can give her a test. I'm looking good. Looking good. Oh, oh my God. Hope I got that on camera. So there you go. Boomerang builds. In about 10 minutes you can make one of these things. Pretty durable. And you know, I think with some practice, there's definitely an art form to throwing these, but with, you know, with some work, I think you can get it to return every time. And they do return. It's just they do come in pretty hot, and catching them is a little bit scary, but you know, once you stop being a wuss, I think you should be able to do it no problem. So thanks for sticking around, you guys, checking it out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and as always, boomerang on.